Hello everyone, welcome back to our series. This is Learn English Through Daily Life. Today, we will learn how to ask for directions. In simple English, don't worry. I will use easy English and speak slowly. Let's begin. Basic words: left, right, straight, near, far. These words are very important when asking for directions. Now, let's learn sentences. Excuse me, can you help me? Where is the bus stop? Go straight, turn left. These sentences are very useful. Now, listen carefully.
Excuse me,
Yes,
can you help me?
of course.
Where is the nearest restaurant?
Go straight for 2 minutes.
Okay,
Then turn left.
left.
Yes, left at the traffic signal.
All right.
You will see a big shopping mall.
Okay.
The restaurant is next to the mall.
Oh, great. Thank you. Is it far?
No, not very far.
How long will it take?
Maybe 5 minutes.
That's good. One more question.
Yes,
Is there a bus stop nearby?
yes, it is behind the mall.
Perfect. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Have a nice day.
You too.
Useful expressions: go straight, turn right. It is next to, it is across from. That's all for today. Now you can ask for directions. In simple English, in the next episode, we will talk about a job interview. If you enjoyed this, please follow and share, and remember, learning English is easy when you practice daily. See you next time. Goodbye.